Hey everyone, it's Paul Verco here, and I just wanted to give you a really quick, brief overview of HighLevel, Gohighlevel. So I was one of the original users of HighLevel, one of the first 20. So back in around late 2017, early 2018. So I had a digital marketing company for 4 years in mostly the fitness space and a few other niches. So I can speak fairly candidly and openly about the service. I was there from literally day one, and I've seen this incredible software company go through all its stages of growth and development. And if you want a quick answer to your question, is HighLevel worth it? It certainly is. And you can't really go wrong. You can get a 2-week free trial of the software. If you use my link, I'd really appreciate it. It's highleveltestdrive.com. I'm not an affiliate marketer, but I do just use this one link because I absolutely love this software so much. And after using it for 4 years, I can definitely say it's definitely worth using it. It's one of the most wonderful value softwares compared to any of the other products in the marketplace. It's super easy to use. They have incredible service, and probably the biggest thing out of all is their focus on customer service and R&D is absolutely amazing. I've seen it go from like fairly sort of basic platform and useful, but they've just added so many more things to it. The membership site is incredible. So if you're using Kajabi or any other sort of membership site, you could just use HighLevel, and then integrate with everything else that it offers. The two-way texting is incredible. The automation, it's now got a workflow builder, so you can see your whole automation setup so easily. It's just like anyone can use it. Even though HighLevel is geared towards marketing agencies, I know full well that small business owners, coaches, consultants, that sort of thing could use it as well. So so I'm not going to go on too much in this particular review. I'll go into more details in another video, but just wanted to tell you from the get-go that HighLevel is absolutely incredible. I should also mention too, there's an amazing community. So every single HighLevel user, so you can only get into this particular Facebook group if you are a HighLevel user. Even that's really helpful, and some incredible services that are offered as well. People in there are very enthusiastic about HighLevel, very much are also ambassadors of HighLevel, and offer so many different services to help you out in your business. So it doesn't matter if you are a tech guru, or if you have no idea what you're doing, there's somewhere along the way that can help you. Or HighLevel even now offers, all these different programs to help you get started, or people can build website pages for you, or funnel pages, all that sort of stuff. People can do the whole thing for you. So I feel like everything is covered for you. And again, it's an amazing service. Can't rave enough about it. Again, I appreciate if you use my link, highleveltestdrive.com. I'll just attach it below or in the video, or in the links below this video here. So again, thanks for watching this video. And have fun with HighLevel. Get a 2-week free trial and enjoy. You won't look back. Cheers.